Don't know what to do. Put it right there, made it easy for you to get to. Now you wanna act like you don't know what to do. After I done everything that you asked me, grabbed you, run you, liked you, tried you, move so fast, baby, no, I can't find you.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm kidding. So welcome back to my channel. My name's Tony-Ann Williams and this is my channel Talia Loves. So hi if you're new here and welcome back if you are not. So today I just thought I'd film like a quick little self-care video. It's a little hair tutorial, just how I got these waves, so kind of waves. See what I did in this video. Oh my god. If you want to see what I do in this video, please carry on watching. And I'll be using this LEE Stafford Chopstick Styler. I don't really know what to talk about, you know. Ooh, this has been dying for a good brush. This kimono is so nice, but like it's so not practical. It's not to be like worn for a long time because it just falls off.
The tiniest bit, like one pump worth of just right through from the roots to the tip.
But I don't want to bun off my ear. Get your natural hair and curl these into little curls or whatever size curls you want. Otherwise, it doesn't blend properly. I'll show you what I mean. And there we go, and it will just curl like that. It will look better in a second. I don't even know what to say. Let's talk about something. I'm talking about how much I like doing YouTube. YouTube is literally my passion, but I've been lazy this week. I literally said last week I'm gonna do 2 videos a week. Where was the second video, please? Whole of last week it got so like hectic with the whole like lockdown thing. Because obviously no one really knows what's going on, to be honest. I don't really know what's going on, but then we have like asking us if we know what's going on. It's just like, no, we wish we did. We don't know anything. Those ones look a bit weird, but it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Right, so then I just get these bits of hair and I like them to be a bit wide. So at the bottom,
Work your way up to the top. Hold it.
and then let it go. And then I'll just curl the end because it's never long enough to go all the way down. I just like it to look wavy. I don't really actually want a chopstick curl, but I don't have curlers, so these will do. Yeah, just carry on doing that the whole way around. Okay. So that's the bottom bit. I don't really like how, I'm gonna redo the top bits of these ones. I can't wait for summer. Like, I'm just gonna say I can't wait for it because if you speak it into existence it will happen. And yeah, I can't wait for summer. If we all follow the instructions, we'll be good to go. So wash your hand, you dirty pig. Does anyone watch Sex Education? That's literally one of my favourite shows. Eric, obviously my favourite. I can't remember what his real name is. He's really funny, I follow him on Twitter. Otis, obviously, who doesn't like Otis? I really like, I basically like all of the main characters, typical. I think she's called Victoria. Do you know the black girl that becomes friendly with Jackson? I like her, she was cool. I can't remember her name, but she's friends with, is it Maeve? It's one that Otis ends up being with. Her friend, one that got sexually assaulted, because I just thought that was such a good topic to cover. Like, that's the thing that I like about Sex Education. They cover like topics and stuff that people experience. Like, what have I just done? I have no clue. And then I'll just do the top bit. I need to redo this bit. So I'll just do the same again, grab sections of the hair, and then I'll redo the wraparound bit in a second. My arms are hurting. Oh, that'll do. You know where I'd love to be from? So I'm obviously from Oxford. I would have loved growing up in like Manchester or Newcastle, Ireland, I don't know. I've got a friend called Olive and she's from Ireland, and I just love her accent, and I would have loved to like grow up there. Do you know what it would have been like? It would have been so funny. I just grew up in Oxford, just born in Oxford. It would have been cool to grow up there, to be fair. I'd love to like raise my children here. That's one thing though, like I think it's a perfect starter town, like to grow up here. Yeah, so I want to own a property here one day, and I will speak it into existence, but it's super expensive to buy houses here. Probably the same as London basically. I think it's a perfect town, city, whatever you want to call it, to raise children. We've got a good selection of schools. It's just a nice place, and recently we've got like a brand new shopping centre. I can't actually remember when it was made. Yeah, over a year ago now. And yeah, I just think it's the perfect place to raise children. So hopefully me and my husband will raise our children here. Valentine's is coming. Where's your boyfriend? Valentine's is coming. I just look so scatty, rah. I put Vaseline around here because as you can see it's a little bit of a red. Now I need to sort this bit out. Wrap it round again. Nicely. I'm going to do this off camera because I need full concentration. I just did that off camera. Basically just sort out the top bit because it's like getting a little bit messy. Now I'm gonna do my edges with some gummy. I just use the red one. I feel like it's so good. But my edges are kind of thinning a little bit. Or palm. Matchy, probably not, but who cares? Well, clearly I care because I'm redoing it. That will have to bloody do because I'm not going over that again. Valentine's is coming. Hey, where's your boyfriend? Sorry, it's not even funny. Didn't put any oil on the top bit, so I'll just put a bit of oil in it now. Just put some more oil in the other bit, put some oil on that bit. And then there we have it. So I go for like natural baby hairs. They don't look very good, but I'm not a hairdresser, please don't kill me. Put some, got to be for you guys. That bit of hair needs to stay there. I really enjoyed making this video. So your hair get looking cute, you know. That's the end of my video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next little video.